Once upon a time, in the sunny fields of Africa, there lived a cheerful giraffe named Gigi. Gigi was famous for her long neck, beautiful spots, and the brightest smile in the savannah. Every day, she greeted her friends with a big, shiny smile that brought happiness to everyone. One morning, as Gigi woke up, she felt something strange. When she looked at her reflection in a nearby pond, she was shocked. "Oh no," Gigi explained. "Where has my smile gone?" Determined to find her smile, Gigi set off on a journey. She went to her friend Leo the lion, who was known for his wisdom. "Leo, have you seen my smile?" Gigi asked anxiously. Leo thought for a moment and said, "Gigi, maybe your smile is hiding because you haven't been brushing your teeth properly. Taking care of teeth is important to keep your smile bright." Gigi remembered that often she forgot to brush her teeth because she was so busy playing. "You're absolutely right. I need to brush my teeth," Gigi said, feeling hopeful. Next, Lily visited her friend Ellie, the elephant, who known for her love of water. "Ellie, can you help me find my smile?" Gigi asked. "Of course, let's have a tooth brushing party." They called all their friends, Benny the baboon, Billy the turtle, and even Sammy the snake. Together, they filled a big bucket with water and gathered colorful toothbrushes. Gigi showed everyone how to brush their teeth properly and sang a song for fun. As everyone brushed their teeth, Gigi felt something magical happening. Each stroke of her toothbrush, she felt her smile returning. After a few minutes of brushing, Gigi looked in the pond again. To her delight, her smile was back, even brighter than before. "Hooray! My smile is back!" Gigi cheered, jumping with joy. Her friends clapped and celebrated, happy to see her smile again. From that day on, Gigi made a promise to brush her teeth every day. She also reminded her friends how important it was to take care of their teeth. And so, Gigi made her friends lived happily ever after, laughing and smiling together. Moral of the story: take care of your teeth to keep your smile bright and healthy. We hope you enjoyed Gigi's fun and educational adventure. Don't forget to take care of your smile just like Gigi did. If you liked this story, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more fun, heartwarming, and exciting stories. And don't forget to share it with your friends.